होगी आपके आगे, तभी आपने इनकी मदद की?
जी, वैसे हमने सोचा था कि शी वुड फॉलो एन एकेडमिक करियर। पहले तो फोर्ड फाउंडेशन में काम कर रही थी इन द डेवलपमेंटल फील्ड, तो हमने सोचा था उसके बाद शी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विद सिटी बैंक, देन वी थॉट मे बी शी इज चेंज्ड हर माइंड एंड शी इज गोइंग टू डू सम, देन शी started, showing interest for working in films. And her first film was a Bengali film, which I was quite happy about, being a Bengali. And so, yes, I mean, we didn't expect it, but we were supportive. We felt, like she herself said, that you have given me the education, you've given me the exposure, you've created that option, now I want to exercise that option. So I said, yes, definitely, you have to exercise the option. I can't say that, yes, do this and don't do that. To Zarur, we didn't expect it, but we were very supportive. We didn't expect Saif also to go into the film, because they were kept away from films completely. But that's what they chose, and we were supportive of that.
Soha, your thoughts on the same? Of following your mother's footsteps?
It's been 10 years since I chose to work in films. I remember not telling her because I was terrified of what my parents' reaction would be. And one thing I wanted to do more than anything else was to always make them proud. And I felt that because of my extensive education, that they perhaps wanted me to do something else. And one of the questions that I'm faced with most, which I've always said is such a ridiculous question, is that if you were going to be an actress, why did you study so much? And I've always thought that that was such a silly question, because an education is surely more than a means to a job. It's an end in itself. And it really has contributed, my education, into making me who I am. When I went to Oxford, it wasn't about learning history. I can't remember 5 history dates, but I learned how to, balance a checkbook, how to make friends with people from all over the world, how to represent my country, how to, operate a washing machine, how to cook, how to catch a bus. So there were so many things that I learned, and I discovered so many things about myself. So I think that this is my 3rd profession. One of the wonderful things about an education and that support system at home, which really enables you to be the best that you can be and try out different things without judgment. And that's something that I'm grateful for what I received from my family and from my school and the schooling that I got, was that I've been able to take chances that if Ford Foundation was something that I got a lot of satisfaction from, I wanted to then try what it was like to do investment banking. I did that for a year and a half and realized that that wasn't something that I enjoyed, but I've always enjoyed acting and theater, so let me try films. So again, there was no judgment at home, which is something that I'm grateful for. The world may judge you, and the press and the media may judge you, but I think if you have a secure, non-judgmental schooling system and a family system, and people who encourage you to really try out things and be the best that you can be, then that's something that's very special. And I would want that for all the young girls out there.
Absolutely.
माएं बनाती हैं बच्चों को। मैं एक बार सोहा से पूछना चाहूंगी, सोहा, आपने अपनी मम्मी को किसी तरह से सपोर्ट करने की कभी सोची?
मैं तो अम्मा,
she just got some toast for me. She thought I should eat because I was wilting with hunger. So
ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीजें जब मुझे लगता है कि अम्मा अभी, मैं आपको बताऊंगी नहीं उनकी उम्र क्या है क्योंकि बहुत करीब बैठी हैं, तो लेकिन ऑब्वियसली आई फील वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव और मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो कंफर्टेबल रहे, उनको पानी की ज़रूरत है या अभी हम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं तो विल शी बी ओके, तो आई फील, लेकिन वो खुद इतनी मजबूत है और हमेशा से इतनी इंडिपेंडेंट रही हैं और उनके पसंद इतने फर्म और बन चुके हैं अब तक। तो मैं जब छोटी थी हम स्कूल ट्रिप्स पे जाते थे और हमेशा मैं अम्मा के लिए, या तो जब हम आगरा जाते थे तो एक ताजमहल में खरीदती थी, या हम उदयपुर गए तो मैंने कुछ हैंडीक्राफ्ट या कुछ सैलेड का कुछ फॉर्क और नाइफ खरीदा था, एंड शी वुड वेरी हैप्पीली एक्सेप्ट इट एंड देन पुट इट अवे एंड आई वुड नेवर सी इट अगेन. So then I quickly realized that she knows what she likes. So I try, हम actually हमेशा हर साल लंदन जाते हैं, अभी अगले महीने जाएंगे और वहाँ पे ऑफ कोर्स हमें यहाँ पे घर में बहुत support staff मिलता है वहाँ पे नहीं मिलती है. So then I'm aware of how I can help, and I can help carry groceries, and that's where I can be of assistance. Otherwise, she's really very strong and independent.
She's always made me a part of, all her special firsts. Like whether her first day in school, first day in college, first day of anything. So, it's very special that she includes us in everything. So I think it's nice to be wanted by your children, and they share their happiness and their feelings with you. So I think to that extent I feel very fortunate.
Ma'am, any instance, if you would share with us, of one of these special moments of your life with Soha?
Now, the moment you say that, I just go blank. Because I think it's, every day these little things that are always there. And whenever I have to make a decision, I mean, for instance, she's going to teach me how to do Skype, for instance. She's going to put that in for me. Like when I said I can't do SMSs, she says, of course, Amma, you can. And she taught me in 5 minutes because she's a very patient and a good teacher. My other daughter scolds me too much. And she says, so she says, so I just can't do it. I get nervous. But whereas she is patient and she teaches me, and I learn it very well. So there are these give and takes continuously. There are certain things that she knows much better than I do. And she does it very quickly and without fuss, and which helps me. So I often ask her advice and ask her if I'm in two minds, and now that Tiger is not there, I often ask Soha that what should I do? Should I do this or should I do that?
Well, that definitely is a beautiful bond of give and take, which is something even I share with my mom here. So I think every mother-daughter does have these simple but beautiful moments in their life. है ना माँ?
याद आती है मुझे अपनी माँ स्वर्गीय निर्मला देवी जी की, जो क्लासिकल सिंगर थी, बहुत बड़ी इस देश की. और माँ बेटी की ये अनूठी जोड़ी आपके सामने है, श्रीमती शर्मिला जी और सोहा जी. आदरणीय शर्मिला जी
my studio, and it's been 6 months now that I've been functioning in that studio, and this is my first work out from that studio, and this is the first project that's out from that studio. This is a great vastu for me, as we were discussing with Arun. It's a great vastu for me that it's starting off with such great cause, and I'm so honored and so proud to be associated with cause like this, and Clinic Plus is a great initiative and movement for the child education and girl child education especially. And today, whatever I am today, wherever I have reached today, the entire credit goes to my mother, from the childhood till whatever age I am today and whatever success I have achieved. That entire credit goes to my mother, who is a woman, and my wife, and they are she's here, and it's a fundamental right of women to have this education, and I'm so proud to be associated with this, and I really thank Arun for actually calling me for this, to come up with a jingle for this. And another reason was being associated with Gulzar Saab, who has written such beautiful words, such beautiful lyrics, which has just by reading the words like dar फलदार है, कुछ पकने दो ना, बेटी होनार है और पढ़ने दो ना, बस एक साल और, एक साल और. Just by reading those lines, it just evokes the feelings, those emotions inside you, that you want to compose a beautiful tune. And the best person I had was Kavita Seth, who is mother of two herself. And yeah, that's how the song happened.
Kavita?
मुझे जब अमित ने बुलाया इस सॉन्ग के बारे में बताया तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि एक औरत होने के नाते और इस कॉज से मैं जुड़ रही हूँ, तो इससे बेहतरीन कोई बात नहीं हो सकती. और हमेशा ही वुमेन राइट्स को लेके बहुत मैं काफ़ी पॉजेसिव रही हूँ, और कुछ भी बात होती है तो मुझे लगता नहीं हमको ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, काफ़ी घर में भी पंगे लेती रहती थी. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे कि मैं इस कॉज के साथ जुड़ रही हूँ, और एक शायद हम लोग एक आर्टिस्ट होने के नाते अपनी म्यूज़िक के द्वारा या अपनी आर्ट के द्वारा ही सोसाइटी की सेवा कर सकते हैं. तो मुझे लगा इससे बेहतरीन मौका और कोई नहीं हो सकता. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम पार्ट ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग, एंड क्रेडिट गोज टू अमित. अ ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्पोजिशन आई सैंग. थैंक्स. बड़े से बड़ा मकाम छुआ, बुलंदियों का बड़े से बड़ा मकाम छुआ, उठाया गोद में माँ ने तब आसमान छुआ.